Unleash the power of automation by connecting your Google Sheets directly to Aisensy and transform your marketing game. First, ensure you have both a Google Sheets account and an active Aisensy account. Log into both platforms. In your Google Sheet, navigate to Extensions located in the pop menu bar. Click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, select Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Google Workspace Marketplace search bar, type Aisensy and press Enter. Locate the Aisensy add-on and click on it, then click the Install button. You will be prompted to choose a Google account. Select the account associated with your Google Sheet and then grant the necessary permissions for Aisensy to access your sheet. After installation, go back to Extensions. In your Google Sheet, you should now see Aisensy listed. Hover over it, and a submenu will appear here. You will find options to connect your Aisensy account, sync data, and configure your personalized messages. Use the Connect Account option to link your Aisensy account. You might need to enter your API key or other credentials from Aisensy. This will allow the platforms to communicate. Next, use the Sync Data feature to automatically sync contact data, personalize messages, and streamline your marketing campaigns, improving efficiency and maximizing the impact of your communications.